Engage me, engage me, engage me, engage me. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of, this is the first episode of Jack Paul's puppy interview by Strawberry Shortcake. So let's go in and bring in the puppies. Now, bring in the puppies for me, quick. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, you're nice little cutie guys. Oh, you're just so adorable. You're just so cool. Well, right now, I'm a dog person. Very nice, of course. I like Pupcake way better than the others. Oh, yeah, they're so cute! I'm gonna be fucked up. Oh, yeah? That's great. What? Ew, gross, no! I hope I don't get dive cringe. Oh my god! They're gonna be so hard! Oh my... Ah!